Today is the 4th of July and it's 6:30 in the morning, so it's not quite really daylight, but I'm hoping it's daylight enough to where uh, we can see what the harvest is from these potatoes. Everything has died back. These are the ones that I put the mulch on top. In fact, I went ahead and put the green mulch. When I say green, I mean freshly ground trees. The stuff was dumped here by my friend that cuts trees, and I just used it to cover the potato plants up. But I want to see what kind of harvest we got now, so I'm going to film it. Well. I got them potatoes, Doug. This is my first season, I think, that I've ever planted potatoes in my whole 66 years. And I've learned one thing. I will never, ever bury another potato. I'm not saying I won't grow any, but if I do, they'll be in grow bags or buckets or something. I'm going to try another way. I see people on YouTube planting them in buckets and bags and stuff, and they seem like they do pretty good. But I never want to dig another potato. Now, out of that first row, I got about an inch or two from above a 5-gallon bucket. I think that was 3 pounds of organic potatoes that I bought at Kroger's. I don't think the yield is all that bad, but the soil in my yard, y'all see it was hard. It was like clay. I know I could probably fix it up to where it's not so bad, but I think I'm just going to grow in buckets. That way I can just dump the bucket and be done with it. No more of this digging. No more digging. Ow. Anyway, so that's my first potato growing experience. So, I think I got 2 more rows, maybe 3. I hope it's 2. And I don't think I got all the potatoes either, because I kept digging around, and every time I digged around, I found another potato. And then finally I said, I'm just going to let these go. The garden can have it, and, put it in the soil. That's fine with me. Anyways, y'all have a beautiful day. Me and Maple Syrup here. We're fixing to go out and mow. Well, she ain't. But Matt's going to be with me today, so I'm going to enjoy that. Y'all have a blessed day.